So before I start the video and start telling you that what should be your morning ideal routine, as you can see, I'm on my terrace. I'm doing the recording right in this open area because I really like this place. As you can see, it has a beautiful view. As you can see at my back, that one is, river. Just look at my back. So that's why I love this location, and here I comes almost every time, and I love to do my recordings right here. So as you can see, before I start the video, I want to show you everything. Just have a look, this beautiful place. So enough of showing the place, let's start the video. Of you, I hope you guys are great. So in this video, I'm going to share that what morning routine I follow for myself. Like, as you all know that we are having a busy schedule, we don't have time to do our training almost every single day. Sometime we have to shift our training like from morning to evening, sometime afternoon. So those of you are having a busy schedule, like for the employees, for those fitness professional who do the workouts, and also having some kind of business and jobs. So in this video, I'm going to tell you that what should be your ideal morning routine which you can follow, and that will give you amazing result. Because this one I'm following for myself personally in the last 2 years, and this is how I maintain. So I hope you will like this video. I want you to watch this video till the end, where I'm going to tell you everything that what should be your ideal morning routine. So let's start. So the morning ideal routine should be go like this. The very first thing you have to do is you have to sleep early. I want you to sleep around 11 o'clock. Switch off your phone, sleep at 11 o'clock, and that will help you to wake up early in the morning. Like, try to wake up at 5 a.m. or 6 a.m. Between this time you have to wake up. So this is the number one thing you have to do every single day for having a healthy morning routine. Let's move to the next one. So the second thing you have to do after waking up around 5 or to 6, between that period, the very first thing you have to do, you have to consume 1 glass of lemon water. Right now I suggest you that you should go with the warm water. Don't take cold water. Take a normal warm water or a regular water. You can take any of these, but don't go with the cold water. Take a whole lemon, squeeze it, and just drink that entire lemon juice. So this is number 2 thing you have to do after waking up. So now the third thing you have to do, once you have taken the lemon water, after that just get fresh and go for workout. I would not suggest you to go and do a power training in the morning, because on that time your body is not fully prepared to do your heavy weight training. So the best time for cardio, so morning is the best time for the cardio. So you should go to gym, or you can go to the near park, wherever you find yourself comfortable, and go and do 15 to half an hour's cardio and abs workout. So this 2 things you have to do in your morning, in the third thing after taking the lemon water. So just go for cardio and just get back. If you don't have a time to go to the gym, or if you are a normal persons who don't have a subscription of gym or don't have a gym near them, they can do one thing. They can go for a normal walk in the park. It doesn't mean that you have to go to the gym for doing a workout. Like, you have your park around your home, just go and do your cardio in the park, or just go for a walk. This thing you have to do in the morning. So this is the third thing which is compulsory and which you have to do. Now the fourth thing you have to do is, after getting back from the cardio or from the walk, you have to take a breakfast. And that breakfast is the most important meal of the day, because in the last 8 hours you had not provided anything to your body, and in that breakfast you have to provide all the important multivitamins, protein, carbohydrates, to keep your body and metabolism active, so you can perform throughout the day better. So take a right breakfast. In the breakfast you can go with 3 to 4 eggs. Like, if you are a pro bodybuilder, you do almost 5 to 6 time workout in the gym, for them I would suggest you at least take 4 egg whites and go with 1 whole eggs. You can take like 50 grams of oats, and along with that you can have some fruits like banana, grapes. These are amazing. Or if you have nuts, you can take that as well. So you have to keep one thing in mind, that you have to provide rich breakfast in your morning. It should have all the multivitamins from top to bottom. That's all should be there, because your body were not getting anything during your sleep. So this is the very first thing you have to do in the morning. Provide right nutrition to your body. And this is for those of you who don't involve in any kind of physical activity. What I mean by that, those who are not going to gym, who having a normal healthy life, who go for a normal walk or cardio session, for them the breakfast routine should be like this. You have to consume 2 egg. Along with that, you can take 1 banana, or you can go with brown breads, or you can go with normal white breads, and you can include some nuts on that also. So in this way you can able to provide all the important vitamins. You are not providing too much protein to your body because you are not involving any kind of physical or hardcore training. So you have to limit yourself with 2 eggs. Take one yolk and eliminate the other one. So this should be your morning breakfast routine. Last and the most important thing here, I would recommend you, all of you, whether you go and do a power training or you doing a normal workouts or going for a cardio only, I must recommend you to take a cold bath. This one is really super effective. You don't have any idea that how much effective it has. Like, it's going to give you amazing result. It will refresh your body. It will just bring down the temperature level which you have increased during a workout, and it will give you a smooth and very fresh feeling. That one is the best thing, because on that time when you're working out, your body heat up a lot. You're providing high food, protein foods, high calorie foods, so you need to keep your body temperature down. So I must recommend you go with cold water bath in the morning. That one is super duper effective. I almost do every day in the morning after getting back from my workout, taking my breakfast. So this is the last thing you have to do. So I believe that you have found this valuable and you're going to implement in every single morning, because once you start doing this, trust me, it has a lot of power. It will help you to give you amazing results. If you're working hard but you are not getting the results, if you are going on a walk and still thinking that you are not improving, losing weight, start doing this, because this one is super amazing. Even I was confused when I started, but right now after implementing this for the last 1 year, I have seen amazing transformation, amazing result. Start doing it, you will find amazing energy and you'll be able to perform better throughout the day. So I hope you have liked this video. If you have any question, write down in the comment section and do let me know. I would love to help you and I love to answer all your questions. So see you next time with another video. Bye bye.